Alrighty, what's going on out there, peeps? Look, you know what? It's crazy because I've been kind of reviewing the stocks, reviewing mutual funds, looking at gold and silver, looking at all the different types of investments. And what catches my attention, I think, is unique, is this: despite our country and the world closing down for the better part of I don't know what, almost 2 months, over 2 months. Despite the fact that we have riots and they're smashing businesses, despite the fact that most of the country controlled by the Democrats won't open up because of the corona. Isn't it crazy how that all of a sudden magically disappeared? How come we don't hear anything about the coronavirus no more? It's just up and gone. So that should be something for you guys to be concerned about. And I mean the fact that you've had politicians lie to you, telling you that we had to be in this serious type quarantine, but it's okay to go out and riot and loot, and nobody has the Rona. All right, I think that's a little crazy. So let's see here. Look at that mug. Oh my God, this is a beautiful dog, man. With some of those ears, my guess is that they've been clipped. So this here is Pimpy the Bulldog. He's been in the penitentiary for about 20 years. That's why he's all buff. All right, he's like pretty buff. 20 years in the pen will do that to you. That's a serious looking dog, man. You know it is killing people's ankles somewhere. This is why you should absolutely not crossbreed pit bulls with chihuahuas. Oh, good Lord. What a beautiful dog, man. That dog is pretty damn buff. I'm jealous, and I should probably get to the gym. All right. Anyways, a quick reminder that I do have a Facebook group with the same name as the YouTube channel, which is Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's free to come join. I will leave a link in the description. We talk about gold, currencies, foreign exchanges, you name it, silver. Come over here, join us. It's free. Everything about in here should be investments. We got another group called The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. We do talk about current events as well as conspiracies. 9/11, chemtrails, those types of things. And besides the fact that we have a Facebook, just like this YouTube, we do have a YouTube channel that goes along with that group. So both links, all links will be in the description. We encourage you to come and join us. All right, so I went ahead and put in the new numbers already. So last time was 30%. We were up to 40. It dropped down to 30. Let's see how we're doing this day here, because I'm doing it on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, so Discovery Metals has been one of our biggest ones, but it went from 31 cents to 58.1. Endeavor is at 145 to $2.03. Alexco, 148 to 217. Now keep in mind the gold and silver stocks dropped slightly, but we'll see how they perform when we're done. Okay, so First Majestic, $7.53. It is now $9.72. Meg Silver is $9.87 when we first started back in April 21st. It's now $12.40. That's pretty good. Silvercrest was at $6.41 when I told you guys about it. It is now at $8.77. MGM, here we go into those Las Vegas stocks. I told you guys when they dropped in value, they had dropped less than 50% of their yearly average, and I felt they would go up. Look at this. So MGM went from $13.19, it's up to $21.72. WTI, when I first was talking about it, it was $1 a share. But just to be fair, all these values right here in this column are from April 21st. So that's where it was. Look how much it's jumped up. It is now $3.30. It's going to keep going up. Trust me, it's going to. Wynn Resorts went from $70.40 now up to above $100. I told you guys it's way too low. Way too low. Look at cryptocurrencies. XRP, you know what? I'm disappointed in them. When everybody else is making a mad run, they are in huge swings, but barely performing. 18 cents is now 20 cents. XLM, on the other hand, was 8 cents about earlier today. It dropped down a little, so in all fairness. Went from 5 cents to almost 8 cents. That's not too shabby, man. That's more than 50%. Okay, so that's a pretty good investment. Ethereum, look, I keep telling you guys, 173 to 242, when all the other ones have a major retraction in their value. Ethereum manages to keep its value and then kind of teeters back and forth where it is now and then goes up. USAA Precious Metals was at $17.06, is now at $18.71. Bitcoin back then was at $6,880. It actually got up above $10,000, but settled back down to $9,700. Not too shabby. Perth Mint, man, you're killing me, dude. Killing me. It's my worst performing one. In this case, it actually lost 6 cents. Drexion's one of my better performances. Better performance. It got close to $100, but it came back down a little bit. So 63.70 is now a 90.44. Las Vegas Sands is another one of those stocks from Vegas. Was at $40.72, is now at $52.97. Melco went from $13.80 up to $18.75. All right, so let's see how we did on these stocks. Are they above 30%? Because it was at 40, went back down to 30. Did we gain at all? Yes, 8% of our money came back. So 180,000, we're almost back up there above 70. Look at that, 69.10. Oh, what the hell is up with you, Perth? So let's look at our best performers. I told you guys Discovery Metal was good. When it was 31 cents, look at this. It actually was up twice as much not that long ago, but has retracted down and starting to make a run back up. Look at all these would be on a $10,000 investment. You would have made $8,568 off of Discovery Metals. You'd have made $4,000 off Endeavor. Electrical, you'd be up $4,000. Of course, this is all before fees and taxes, but nonetheless, it still kicks butt. First Majestic, you're up $2,900. Mag is up $2,500. Silver is up $3,600. MGM is now up $6,467 from our $10,000 investment. That is not too shabby. Look at this. WT Oil, look at that. Remember, it was down at $1. If you'd done it at $1, man, that's just crazy. I'm just curious. So this is $2.11, but let's say it's $1. So it's $2.11. Man, you'd be up $23,000 on a $10,000 investment. $23,000. If you'd have put when it was $1 and bought 10,000 shares, you'd have $33,000, and it hasn't even been 2 months. We're talking about since April the 1st. Holy smokes, man! Good Lord. Win is up 4,400 since April. XRP is only up 1,000. I told you they're disappointing, man. But XLM is outperforming. It's crazy. It is outperforming XRP. Since April 21st, it has outperformed it. Ethereum is my favorite. There's a lot of projects going on. It is the one I have the most faith in. It is up almost 4,000 since April. XLM outperforming even Ethereum. USAA Metals, you gain almost $1,000. Bitcoin has gained $4,144 since April. Not too shabby. So look at this. XLM between them all has outperformed all of them since April 21st. Drexion still up 4,100, almost $4,200. That's one of my favorites. Las Vegas Sand is up $3,000, and Melco Resorts is up almost $3,600. So on a $180,000 investment as of April 21st, you would have made $69,210. Not too shabby. That's a 38% investment in just about 6 weeks. All right, so that's where that is. Let's take a look at what else is going on because it is big news. Look at the Dow. The Dow is now above 27,100 points. It's up 800. Despite the fact that we closed down due to the Rona, despite the riots and looting, the job numbers were great. We gained 2.5 million jobs. 13 million people went back to work. And this is just a start. The Democrats refuse to open their states. What's going to happen when they open up those states fully? And 11 of the states are open or not open fully. So you guys got to be on these bandwagons, man. I keep telling you, it's going to rebound. 27,110. It's already heading close to the record high. That's just crazy. Okay, so gold starting to settle down when the market does good. Then I tell you, they're going to artificially pump up the stock market, and it's going to drive the value of gold and silver down. Good. For us people to invest in it. Good. Keep doing that. If you own it, don't panic. It's going to shoot up. Give it time. But we want it to drop down low. Here's what you're not going to like about this. The COMEX decided it doesn't want to sell no more silver because it knows it's going to go up. I said, nope, we're not selling any more silver, nor are we giving it out. So this is going to make silver really, really scarce. So now is the time to jump all over that bad boy. All right, so it's looking pretty good. Not too shabby. If you know where to put your money in at the right time, you should be able to benefit from everything that is going on. And that's what I have been pointing out to you guys. All right, so look, our stock... This face is so serious. Look at it. The funny thing is, if I had a bunch of pit bulls, I'd probably be the one to whip everybody's ass, man. Look at that dog, man. It's just ready for business. It is not playing. I wonder why that dog's name is Pimpy, all right? It's just a cute dog. I want about 10 of them. That's what I want. Anyways, you guys, that's what's going on with Stockwatch. It's looking really good. We had a pretty good week despite everything that's going on. And it's even going to get better. Trust me, we're not done. The stocks that I chose are going to more than double. All right? That I'm pretty sure of. So anyways, I just wanted to share it with you. It's looking pretty good. That's where we are with Stockwatch. And if you come and try to take my money, you got to deal with this right here. Pimpy. That's right. Dude, he's so serious. It's hard not to look at him and not laugh. I got to stop looking at the screen. I'm sorry. He's such a beautiful dog. Look at his face. Dude, look at, you can't even arm wrestle him. Dude, his chest is so big. I'm really, what the hell is up with his triceps, man? This guy's been in jail for like 20 years in a pen getting buff. Oh, man. Anyway, sorry, got sidetracked. All right, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.